Good morning, students. Welcome to the TMPS online classes. Today we are going to start a new topic of the same chapter that we are going on. That chapter number 4, Internet and Introduction. In the previous class, we have studied about what is Internet, what is computer network, what is network, and also the advantages and disadvantages of Internet. So today the first topic is basic terminology of internet or used in internet. First of all, tell me the meaning of the word terminology. Here terminology means the terms or the words used in internet. Okay, so these are the words which are gone through or which are used while using the internet. The first word is website. As you all know, website is everything we are going to discuss. That is, go to that website, go to that website. Even our TMPS online classes also have the website. Our school have the website. What it is website means? Before starting with the website, first of all, we should know what is home page and what is web page. Okay. First of all, suppose one book is there, your computer book. When you open your computer book, there is the first page, the main page opens, isn't it? That page is known as home page. In the internet also, when you open the internet, the main page which comes here is known as home page. The first page which comes on the internet is known as home page, where there is written, the address bar is there, and in that Google is written, and many more things. This is known as home page. Clear? What is home page? Home page is the main page or the first page of the internet. Clear? Come to the web page. In your book, when you start reading the chapters, isn't it? So many chapters were there in your computer book also. So in that, what the chapters is known as? The chapter is known as web page. Okay? In internet, the pages, the collection of pages, isn't it? There are many pages. So each page is known as web page. In your computer book, your chapter is known as, or your pages is known as the web page. Clear? So the difference between home page and the web page is home page is the main page of the internet, but web page is the related pages or further pages of internet. Clear? Now after home page and web page, we will come to the website. So in your computer book, the whole book, it covers lots of pages, बहुत सारे pages होते हैं उसमें. So whole page is known as website. The whole book is known as website. So website is a collection of related web pages. Clear? So we have studied the home page, the web page and the websites. All three are linked to each other. Home page is the main page or the first page of a internet. Web page is the related pages which are you going to study about, and the website is a collection of related web pages. Clear? Suppose your computer book, the main page, the first page is known as home page. All the chapters are known as web pages, and a whole book, आपकी जो कंप्यूटर की होल बुक है, पूरी बुक है, that is known as websites. Here in the internet, here main page of internet is called home page, related pages of internet is called web page, and collection of related pages is known as websites. Clear this much? Now we will move further. Now here the next topic is web browser. What does web browser means? Web browser means a software. Web browser means a software which are used to access information. Software used to access information. Clear? Now what is access means or what is software? Software एक आपका your mobile also you have seen your Chrome, Mozilla Firefox or Google, Internet Explorer. These all are the software. Yahoo. So जिसके थ्रू आप information search करते हो, used करते हो, isn't it? That is known as web browser. Here. So Web browser is a software which are used to access information. क्या यूज होता है इसका, हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? So that we can search information on internet. With the help of a web browser हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं? इंटरनेट के थ्रू इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च कर सकते हैं. Now come to the hyperlink. What do you mean by hyperlink? Hyperlink is a path. Suppose I am standing here and I have to go to school or your home. From here to the school, the path which I take is known as hyperlink. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, आप स्कूल से अपने घर जाते हो तो स्कूल से लेके आपके घर तक का डिस्टेंस, द पाथ, जो रास्ता है, दैट इज नोन एज हाइपरलिंक. इजंट इट? इन द सेम मैनर जब भी आपको किसी साइट पे, किसी जगह पे, किसी लोकेशन पे जाना होगा, देन दैट इज नोन एज हाइपरलिंक. लिंक आपको यूट्यूब लिंक भी जाता है, देन व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय यूट्यूब लिंक? दैट इज नोन एज हाइपरलिंक. आपको लिंक जाता है ताकि आप उस पर क्लिक करके उस वीडियो को, उस यूट्यूब लिंक को आप देख सकें बाय क्लिकिंग दैट लिंक, isn't it? In the same manner, hyperlink is known as the path or the many things were there in that, कि जिसके थ्रू आप किसी जगह पे पहुंच सकें. Clear? Now come to World Wide Web. What it is World Wide Web means? वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, जब भी आप इंटरनेट ओपन करोगे तो क्या लिख के आएगा यहाँ पे? www.google.com. This is also a full form. The full form of www is World Wide Web. In your book also, it is a collection of related websites. Now, see here. All these words are interrelated to each other. How it is interrelated to each other? First we have studied home page. Home page is the main page, हम जिसको main page बोलते हैं. Then through main page हम लोगों ने पढ़ा web page. Web page is the related pages which are used in the internet. After that we have studied about websites. So what is website? Website is a collection of related web pages, isn't it? Now we have studied www. What it is www? Here World Wide Web. It is a collection of related website. Websites के collection को हम www means World Wide Web कहते हैं. So how it is interrelated? कि कैसे interrelate हुआ? First web page से क्या बना? Websites. And website से क्या बना? www. So collection of related web pages is known as website. The collection of websites is known as www. Clear? Means in your library or in your home, many books are kept at one place. किसी rack पे रखी होगी. That rack is known as www. Clear? Here home page आपका main page होता है. Web page means your chapters of the book. And website, the whole book is known as the websites. And the collection of books, जो आपके books के collection है जहाँ पे एक जगह रखे होंगे, that is known as www. Come to the last, that is search engine. What is search engine? Here the search engine means various related softwares which are used to aware with the help of internet. सर्च इंजन क्या है? एक आपका एप्लीकेशन है, एक आपका सॉफ्टवेयर है जिससे हम इंफॉर्मेशन सर्च करते हैं, ढूंढते हैं. क्लियर? एक पाथ है, एक सॉफ्टवेयर. सो दीज आर व्हाट? दीज आर द बेसिक टर्मिनोलॉजीज व्हिच वी हैव स्टडीड टुडे. द फर्स्ट इज वेबसाइट, द सेकंड इज वेब पेज, थर्ड इज वेब ब्राउजर, फोर्थ इज हाइपरलिंक, फिफ्थ इज वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब, सिक्स्थ इज सर्च इंजन, एंड द various other things we have studied, that is home page, web page, www and many more. Now please go through the chapter once again with these topics only, because it is very important topic which we have covered today. इट इज ऑलरेडी थिंग विच यू आर गॉन थ्रू. आप लोग देखोगे बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं इसमें जिसको आप डे टू डे चीजों में यूज करते हो, बट यू डोंट नो द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट वर्ड. आप उसको उसकी मीनिंग नहीं पता होती. सो प्लीज गो थ्रू द चैप्टर. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क मी इन अ कमेंट सेक्शन बॉक्स और इन द लाइव सेशन. थैंक यू क्लास. हैव अ नाइस डे.